My money, my body, now your own.
Is that what we
I love you. My money, my body, now your own.
Hey, welcome to another video. Today's style are goddess braids. These are so beautiful, so perfect for vacation. You're going to start off with freshly blow dried and washed hair. Here are all of the products that you're going to need for this hairstyle. You're going to need some Xpressions, braiding hair, and some Bobbi curly wavy hair. And the rest of these tools, everything will be linked under the description below. So the parts are party, okay? The parts are party. So you're gonna start off in using the crochet tool. You're gonna crochet in that Xpressions braiding hair. I definitely use the rubber band method for a lot of my braid styles. So, you know, it's up to you if you want to go knotless or rubber band. I find my hairstyles actually lasting a bit longer when I do it this way. So you're going to start off with braiding the hair. Braid, braid, braid. And you're going to continue until you get to a reasonable spot where you want to add in the wavy hair. So that honestly just depends on how long you want the braid to go. I purposely wanted this to go all the way past my waist. So I added in the wavy hair later. So this is the finished braid. And then you're going to take the crochet tool again. Take a little bit of that wavy hair and crochet it in kind of towards the top of the braid. And I like to double knot these so they stay in. So I got like the first 2 rows done. They're already looking so great. So here's So this is a little bit more detailed while I'm starting the middle part of the hair with the braids. So like I said, braid it down until you get to a comfortable part, and then you'll add in the Bobbi wavy hair into the braids so that it finishes wavy at the end. And this is the finish. Look how long, and look at these parts, they're so clean. This is so cute. I definitely recommend this if you're going out to a tropical place, you know. Thank you for watching. Subscribe now, and I'll see you in the next video.